Water cycle by Emily. The chart on the screen shows the different steps of the cycle. Number 1 shows the process of evaporation. This is water vapor evaporating from the ocean and forming clouds. Number 2 is transpiration, which is the process of plants releasing water vapor. Number 3 is the process of condensation, and this is when the water vapor condenses to form clouds. Number 4 represents precipitation. This is when the clouds let out water that can no longer be held in them. Number 5 is runoff, and this is when the water does not get absorbed into the soil and goes down a mountain. Number 6 represents infiltration. This is when the rain gets absorbed into the soil. This question could be on a test about the water cycle. The question, which conditions provide the most surface water runoff, explains the process of runoff. The answer is number 1, because if the mountain has a steep slope and frozen ground, the water will not be absorbed. Heavy rain will make the water run, so then number 1 would be correct. This picture is just another example of the water cycle diagram. This question is another example that you can find on a test. The answer would be 3, evaporation, because the box before it shows ocean. The water from the ocean will be evaporated, so it would be evaporation. Here's one last example of a test question. Most water vapor enters the atmosphere by the processes of 3, evaporation and transpiration. The evaporation would be one of the answers because the water vapor from the ocean would be evaporated. Transpiration is when the plants release water vapor into the air, so therefore 3 would be the answer. Thanks for watching my screencast.